my story. I am a registered nurse by profession. I am thankful to my mentor, my coach, who shared lifestyles to me, no other than Global Marketing Director to Net Bergado. So, na-meet ko yon yung lifestyles. Grabe, ang dami namin health challenges. I was rushed in St. Luke's Rodriguez. Nagsusuka ako, nahihilo, nag-vomit, lumalabo na yung eyes ko. Sabi ng doctor sa akin, Jello, you're candidate to become blind. Nagkaroon ka ng glaucoma. Wala nang pag-asa para sa sitwasyon mo. My brother had skin allergy. My dad had back problem. Mom ko may vertigo. Yung iikot yung paligid parang roller coaster. Mataas ang blood pressure. Ang daming lola ko na 211 over 100 na stroke. Ang dami namin health challenges. But wala naman akong money. I was introduced by the Lifestyles products. Sabi ko, manghiram na lang po ako. I started with a borrowed money and credit card. I started with that. Nanghiram ako ng pera. I started with a package, instant direct package. Ang nangyari po, lahat ng health challenges ko na-adjust. So nag-decide na ako, hindi na ako pupunta sa abroad to work there. Nakita ko yung opportunity ng Lifestyles. Because of Lifestyles, with the proven AB franchising system, I decided to do the business. I was able to travel locally. Ang dami na Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, name a few. We went to Balisin Island. We also went to international Asian countries. We went also to Europe. And hanggang ganito, while traveling, we are earning passive income. And what's nice, as nag-grow talaga ako personally, personal development growth, grabe yan, nakakapag-travel ako iba-ibang places. And when I was promoted National Marketing Director, I earned 280,000 and my highest check was 532,000, excluding pa ang retail income na 6-digit. Thank you, Lifestyles. And grabe, savings, and had more time I spend with the family. One time, 45 days, nag-travel kami sa Canada. Grabe, US and Canada. Pagbalik, 6-digit income. Pumunta kami ng 25 days sa London. Tuloy-tuloy ang global business. I've expanded my business because of the EB franchising system in different parts of the world. And now, I give back everything to God. I give my tithes in balik in helping Mercy Ministries. Ang sarap pa ng pakiramdam. So, grabe, here in Lifestyles, talagang we have total freedom. Thank you to the proven system. Dahil dito, Lifestyles has awarded me recently with the Lifestyles Dynamic Duo with my mom. You could do this as a family business. So, grabe talaga ang blessing na bibigay ng Lifestyles. We started with a borrowed money and we build our assets, and dito now we have total freedom. So to all our guests, I encourage you, take Lifestyles products and imagine it, gawin nyo na ito. Your dreams will become a reality. Start achieving your dreams. Do Lifestyles business. Thank you, and to God be all the glory.
Business owner where dinideliver ko is bikes, cell phones, and pag may benta, okay na. But when I try to sell intro products to my friends, sobrang nagustuhan nila yung product. Kasi daw, ang galing ng pagtulog nila, sobrang gaan ng katawan nila. That is why I decided to do the Lifestyles business. And grabe, sa Lifestyles merong system. Sa business ko dati, pag nabentahan ka, okay na yan. Pero dito sa Lifestyles, may system na sinusunod. Ang gaan, ang dali. You are making money even at your sleep. Ganyan kaganda dito. And of course, dahil magaling ako at dahil gusto ko na nakikita ako ng mga business partners ko na I'm really doing well and I'm really doing great with this business, nag-qualify ako to all travel incentives. Gumigising ako ng 5 a.m. in the morning, deliver ako around the area, nagdo ako ng STP just to help people live better every day kasi yan yung mission ng company. And nag-travel ako around the world. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, pabalik-balik twice a year, Hong Kong, Korea, yes or yes, ganyan po kaganda dito sa Lifestyles. Lahat is free. Dati galing sa pocket ko. But when I learned that Lifestyles is giving free travel incentives, then I do the business seriously more than ever. And of course, I am enjoying my Lifestyles travel with my business partners around the world po tayo. So recently, we went to Singapore, Malaysia cruise, and of course, Hong Kong, China, Macau in just 1 month. 5 countries in just 1 month. Kaya that's very exciting to be part of this Lifestyles company. And of course, Kung kaya ko, mas kaya nating lahat, guys. Enjoy the ladder of success and of course, enjoy the potential income here at Lifestyles. That would be all. Thank you very much. Yes.
Director, executive online seller, tapos maraming utang, pangit dati, maraming sakit, sobrang stress, kasi taga-bukid kami. No, so ano bang aasahan na trabaho ng isang construction secretary? Of course, sobrang init, sobrang stress, pero yung sweldo, hindi sobra. Yes or yes? Yan, so hindi kaya yung sweldo kaya nag-online seller ako. So dahil sa hardworking ako, no? So katulad ng ibang nakikinig dyan, alam ko hardworking din kayo, kaya nag-overfatigue ako. So doon ako nagkaroon ng TB, nag-dysmenorrhea din ako. So hindi lang yan, no, pati ang anak namin, no, nagsasuffer ng allergy and asthma. Ayan, so sobrang sakit para sa akin na wala, yung pag inaatake siya, sabi ko parang gusto ko nang kunin yung sakit niya, pero hindi. No, so thank you to the product, dahil dyan, lahat yan gumaling. No, so hindi lang yan yung nangyari. No, pati yung mga kapatid ko, yung whole family namin, kasi nasa dugo namin yung hormonal imbalance. Yung isa, natanggal yung mattress dahil sa hormonal imbalance. Hindi lang yan. No, so yung dysmenorrhea talaga, ayan, so dahil yan, na-address, dahil sa ganda ng product, na-address lahat yan. So, dahil sa nakikita ng mga tao sa paligid po at sa mga tao dito sa Bohol na sobrang amazing yung product, ayan, so nabuo yung Unstoppable Team Rapid. No, so, yung mga tao dito, halos natatakot na mabubusan ng product. No, so, ano pa ba yung ginawa ni Lifestyle sa akin? Dahil sa ganda ng product, I took the risk. No? Wala akong pera, taga-bukid kami, wala, sinangutang ako para makapag-start ng business. Bakit? Dahil wala namang mawawala sa akin kung mag-try ako. Ano bang mawawala sa taong walang-wala na? Diba? So, I do the business seriously dahil sa family ko. Ayan, so, hindi lang yun yung nabigay sa akin, no? As a millennial, no? As a youth, as a millennial. Ito talaga yung gustong-gusto kong i-share sa inyo, no? Alam ko na lahat tayo gustong-gusto mag-travel. And yan, so, before Lifestyles, hindi ako nakasakay ng kahit isang beses man lang ng aeroplano dahil sa hirap. But with Lifestyles, halos buwan-buwan kami nag-travel. No? So merong free travel from Lifestyles, meron din hindi. Pero kadalasan free. Ang sarap mag-travel ng free. So last year, halos buwan-buwan kami nag-travel. No? So merong isang buwan na 3 countries. So, nag-Malaysia, nag-Korea last year, nag-Hong Kong, nag-Macau. No? So, kailan pa ba tayo mag-travel? Pagdating natin sa destination, CR na ang hinahanap natin kasi senior citizen na. Ayan, so again, local and international travel, binibigay ni Lifestyles. And ang kagandahan dito, no, sa lahat ng company na kilala ko, itong Lifestyles ang pinakamaganda kasi hindi tayo iniiwan ng mentors. No? So, Jem de Eva, Jem de Nira, Jem de Marivic, yung sinasabi ni Jem de Marivic sa akin lagi, na at the end of the day, no, yung mga taong nagpapasalamat sa iyo kasi na-share mo yung product at yung opportunity hindi mababayaran. Yes or yes? Yes, of course. Hindi lang yan. No, aside sa nakaka-healthy, aside sa nakakaganda, aside sa nabibigay ng energy, of course, dito sa Lifestyles, may pera din. So my first check with Lifestyles is 14,000 and my highest check combined with the family, no, during my international marketing director promotion is 641,000. Saan ba tayo makakahanap ng company na yun na for 1 month? For 1 month, magbibigay ng 641,000. Diba? Gusto niyo ba yon? Yes or yes? Of course, yes. Hindi lang yan. Ang dami pang binibigay ni Lifestyle sa akin. Okay, so, dahil taga-bukid talaga kami, no? Kahit bike man lang, wala kaming bike. Kahit gulong man lang, wala kaming gulong. Ayan, so pinaka-first na na-acquire namin ito sa Lifestyle is yung motor. Yun ang favorite na motor ng asawa ko. Ayan, no? So, hindi lang yan. Di ba nakatira kami sa bukid, wala kaming lupa. Ayan, so, nung pinapalis na kami ng may-ari ng lupa na tinitirikan namin, ayan, so umiyak yung mama ko. So, dahil sa Lifestyles opportunity, no, during my NMD time, no, so, binilhan ko ng lupa yung mama ko, 300 square meter para gawa ng bahay. And actually, meron na yan ngayon, maliit na bahay. Ayan, so, thank you to the Lifestyles opportunity. At hindi lang yan, kasi hindi ako titira sa bukid, of course, kasi kung walang signal. So, dahil sa Lifestyles opportunity, kaya na-turn over yung bagong bahay namin last February lang. Ayan, so kung hindi ko ginawa yung Lifestyles, saan kami ngayon? Ayan, no? So, dahil nanalo kami ng sasakyan. So, yun yung ginagamit na yun. Again, sino ba ang company na nagbibigay ng libreng sasakyan? Only in Lifestyles, okay? And this year, nanalo ko ng Rising Star. Bakit dito sa Lifestyles, effort determines reward? Di ba yung mga tao, lagi sinasabi na to see is to believe. Dapat makikita nila kung anong nangyayari sa buhay mo. Kung meron bang kapatunguhan yung pinagagawa mo, di ba, may action, yung action mo, may patutunguhan ba? But dito sa Lifestyles, again, maraming nangyayari. No? Nag-talk ng rest, ganyan, ang dami-dami nagbago sa buhay ko, hindi lang travel. At ang maganda dito, may teamwork tayo. Dinidivide yung task natin, pero yung success para sa ating lahat. Okay? So, again, dito sa Lifestyles, you don't need time. Okay? You don't need time. Like, sa job, okay? Di ba, sa job natin, retirable age is 60. Kahit dagdagan pa yan ng another 40 years yung work mo. Gawin natin 100 years yung retirable age. Wala pa rin mangyayari. Bakit? Same work mo, same salary mo, ikaw lang mag-isa nagtatrabaho. Di ba? So, hindi ka pa rin yayaman. Again, you don't need time. You need only a system na dito sa Lifestyles natin makikita. Again, hindi